upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a vacuum showdown that's going to suck, in a good way. On the left, we have the Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum, or as we like to call it, the Sharkinator. And on the right, we have the Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, aka the Kilgone Cleaner. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Music fades out. All right, let's talk about the part that makes your wallet cry first. Price. The Sharkinator comes in at $549. That's right, folks, it's like buying a small island, but instead of coconuts, you get incredible suction. On the other hand, the Kilgone Cleaner is priced at $267. It's like the affordable cousin who shows up at the family reunion and actually helps clean up. So if you're on a budget, Kilgone might just be your knight in shining plastic. Speaking of suction, let's move on to how these bad boys pick up dirt. The Sharkinator boasts incredible suction that can tackle all floor types. It's like the Hercules of vacuums. Reviewers love how it picks up pet hair and debris effortlessly. Meanwhile, the Kilgone Cleaner promises powerful suction too. But let's be real, it's more like the Robin to Sharkinator's Batman. Reviewers note that while it's slightly weaker, it compensates by passing over areas multiple times. So if you have a house that looks like a tornado hit it, you might want to go with the Sharkinator. Next up, navigation. The Sharkinator uses matrix clean navigation and 360 degrees LiDAR vision. It's basically Neo from the Matrix, dodging obstacles and cleaning in a precise grid. Reviewers appreciate its precision and efficiency. Kilgone Cleaner, on the other hand, uses 3D precision obstacle avoidance with a 360 degrees sensor array. It's more like your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, swinging around and avoiding obstacles. Reviewers find it quite intelligent and effective, but if you want that futuristic, I know kung fu vibe, Sharkinator is your guy. Now the Sharkinator empties itself into a bagless base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and debris. It's like having a personal butler who never complains about the mess. Plus, it has a HEPA filtration system that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. Reviewers love this feature, especially for homes with pets. Kilgone Cleaner, however, doesn't have the self-emptying feature, so you'll have to get your hands dirty, folks. If you're allergic to work, Sharkinator takes this round. When it comes to runtime, the Sharkinator can go for up to 120 minutes, making it the marathon runner of vacuums. Kilgone Cleaner runs for up to 100 minutes, which is still pretty respectable. Think of it as the sprinter. Both vacuums have the recharge and resume feature, so they won't leave you hanging mid-clean. But if you want to go the extra mile, Sharkinator's got the stamina. Special features time. The Sharkinator can be controlled with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can set schedules and initiate cleaning with just your voice. It's like having a vacuum that listens better than your kids. Kilgone Cleaner also offers voice control and has its own app called TUIA for smart cleaning schedules and modes. It's like a mini tech wizard in your pocket. Reviewers appreciate both for their tech-savvy capabilities, but Sharkinator's got that extra edge with its self-cleaning brush roll and pet hair capabilities. Reviewers love the Shark AV2501S Ultra Robot Vacuum for its powerful suction, self-emptying feature, and pet hair capabilities, making it ideal for busy households and pet owners. The Kilgone Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo receives praise for its affordability, ease of use, and dual vacuuming and mopping functions, making it a great choice for those looking for a budget-friendly smart cleaning solution. So there you have it, folks. The Sharkinator versus the Kilgone cleaner. Both have their strengths and quirks. If you want a vacuum that's like a personal butler and can handle a house full of pets, go for the Sharkinator. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, smart cleaning companion, Kilgone Cleaner is a solid choice. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Upbeat music playing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Screen fades out with channel logo. Music fades out.